to my YouTube channel. My name is Yoruba. For those that are subscribed, thank you very much, and please subscribe for your older ones, for your younger ones that are interested in learning Yoruba. Thank you very much. And today we'll be going to our everyday conversations. That's àwọn ìbáraẹnisọ̀rọ̀ ojoojúmọ́, ohun tí a máa ṣe lónìí nìyẹn. Ẹ ṣé. Àwọn ìbáraẹnisọ̀rọ̀ ojoojúmọ́, everyday conversations. That is our everyday conversations. Àwọn ìbáraẹnisọ̀rọ̀ ojoojúmọ́. Ṣé àfihàn ara rẹ? Ṣé àfihàn ara rẹ? Introduce yourself. Ṣé àfihàn ara rẹ? Introduce yourself. Àwọn ìbéèrè, that's questions. In Yorùbá, tá bá fẹ́ ṣe àfihàn ara wa, a máa sọ pé ní Gẹ̀ẹ́sì a ní introduce yourself. Àwọn ìbéèrè, that's questions. Àwọn ìbéèrè, questions. Àwọn ìdáhùn, answers. Àwọn ìdáhùn, answers. If anybody asks you, what is your name? Kí ni orúkọ rẹ? What is your name? Kí ni orúkọ rẹ? Ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì wọ́n máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ wa pé kí ni what is your name? Ní Yorùbá wa ní kí ni orúkọ rẹ? Orúkọ mi ni. Tí o bá fẹ́ dáhùn sí kí ni orúkọ rẹ, you want to answer to what is your name, then you say my name is orúkọ mi ni. Kí ni orúkọ rẹ? What is your name? Then my name is orúkọ mi ni. Tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi kí ni orúkọ rẹ? What is your name? My name is Yoruba. And if you ask in Yorùbá kí ni orúkọ rẹ? Orúkọ mi ni Bello Ifeoluwa. How old are you? How old are you? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? How old are you? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? How old are you? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? Mo jẹ́ ọmọ ọdún, àsọ iye ọdún tó jẹ́. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ ọdún bóyá méjì ni, bóyá mẹ́ta ni, bóyá méjìdínlógún ni. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ ọdún. I am maybe 3 years old, 5 years old, 7 years old, 20 years old. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ ọdún, put it there, the name, ọdún tó jẹ́, that's the year. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ ọdún. I am 10 years old, 20 years old, 3 years old, put it there. I am that year, that's the year. Ibo ni ò ń gbé? Where do you live? Ibo ni ò ń gbé? Where do you live? Mò ń gbé ní I live at. Mò ń gbé ní I live at. I live at. Mò ń gbé ní. Ibo ni àdírẹ́sì ilé rẹ? Ibo ni àdírẹ́sì ilé rẹ? Ní Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, what is your home address? What is your home address? When they ask you in English, what is your home address? You reply them. What is your home address is the English, but in Yoruba you say, Ibo ni àdírẹ́sì ilé rẹ? Àdírẹ́sì ilé mi ni. My home address is. Then you tell us your home address. Àdírẹ́sì ilé mi ni. My home address is. Wàá sọ ibi tó ń gbé àkọsílẹ̀. My home address is. Àdírẹ́sì ilé mi. Iṣẹ́ wo ni ò ń ṣe? What is your occupation? In English they will ask you what is your occupation. In Yoruba they will say iṣẹ́ wo ni ò ń ṣe? Iṣẹ́ wo ni ò ń ṣe? What is your occupation? Ìlú Ibo lo ti wá? Ìlú Ibo lo ti wá? Where do you come from? Ìlú Ibo lo ti wá? Where do you come from? Mo wá láti ìlú Àgìsì. I come from. Mo wá láti ìlú Adó. from. Kí ni mo wá láti ìlú. Nígbà tó sọ pé mo wá láti ìlú, wàá fi ìlú tí o ti wá sí. I come from, you put where you came from, you write it there. Kí ni ìdí tí o fi wà níbí? Kí ni ìdí tí o fi wà níbí? Why are you here? Why are you here? Kí ni ìdí tí o fi wà níbí? Why are you here? Mo wà níbí láti kọ́ bí a ṣe ń sọ èdè Yorùbá. Mo wà níbí láti kọ́ bí a ṣe ń sọ èdè Yorùbá. I am here to learn how to speak Yoruba language. I am here to learn how to speak Yoruba language. I am here to learn how to speak Yoruba language. Mo wà níbí láti kọ́ bí a ṣe ń sọ èdè Yorùbá. Adúpẹ́. Thank you very much for supporting us, for watching this YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.